Well, guys, and welcome back. And today, I got something from Target. Yup, that's right. The Gravedigger and Max D power changeable trucks by me, Horsepower and Whiplash power changer trucks. And for single series, I got Gravedigger with Mug. Same thing for I did that with the Invasion, but same box. And what we just not going to talk about. I'm just going up some stand, just in case. And we'll start with this. And here is a Gravedigger with core mod styled. So you can go like that. It looks awesome. It comes with these. A rubber band, which just matches the previously one, and same thing. But it's a dragon one. Same. Let's move on to color shifters. Gravedigger and Max D. Whoa! Let's start with the Gravedigger one. It's pretty nice. It'll change from chrome to that one. Here's a Max D for gold to silver. What a nice truck. I'm going to test the water in part 2, but except for the Gravedigger one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just added my new channel screen as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.